At first I thought it's online class, how it would be, maybe it's like YouTube videos, but it was not at all like YouTube video. Hi friends, good morning. I am Jayprada from Tamilnadu. The clear explanation, all doubts, management tips, baking tips and tricks, everything covered. And still, if I want to ask some questions, doubts, everything, community helping each other, I will suggest ladies like me who wants to be financially independent and wants to be recognition. You want to learn, don't go anywhere except Vaishali Krustty cream. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.